Fruit woods, like apple wood, burn in a wood-fired oven, give anything you're cooking a sweeter taste. And the clients love the verticality and the sense of space this fixture gives them. It also complements our Borealis linear fire feature, which frames our guests in light and heat. There's only 6 cuts in the entire island, and it conveniently fits the linear fire feature kit from HPC that works with our Raffinato wall. That kit includes a 150,000 BTU burner, a pan, a universal gas orifice, which allows you to switch from natural gas to propane if needed, an auto spark ignition, which we will wire up, a Dante valve, and 18 square inches of cross ventilation via vents. We also have a lid, which gives us a finished look whether we're using this fixture or not. So go to HPC Fire One app for installation instructions, the tools needed, and any clearances, but check your local codes. For electronic ignition for high and low modes, keeps it kid safe and guest approved. If you want to capitalize on ambiance, HPC and Techo-Bloc can get you there.